Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. I was very fortunate to help out at a rummage sale that we had at church, and it was very busy, and it's been in the 80s, and then all of a sudden for our wake-up call it was 49 when I got up this morning, and then it was like about 60. So it was a beautiful morning actually, but we had very, very heavy winds. So that was hard. On some things got knocked over, and we had tons of clothing. We had tons of knickknacks, all kinds of things. Yard sale did well. And when I first got there, it was dark, and we were trying to put stuff out, and some other people had gone last night and put out all kinds of stuff. So there just was a ton of stuff. It was outside in the parking lot, and it was a lot of fun to spend some time with some of my church people, and also it was for a wonderful cause, and I got a few things. And there were some things that I saw early on, but I didn't want to be, selfish and take things, so I didn't. I just like, well, we'll just, see whatever. So every now and again, I ran from one end of that parking lot to the other, back and forth and back and forth. Constant. It was constant moving because although a lot of it was out, there were still many, many garbage bags filled with things. So someone may have donated a bag of clothing. So we were doing all that over by the clothing. Well, then you get a little bit in the bag, and there'd be some knickknacks. There'd be some Christmas decor, and so we'd have to take that to the other side. And so it was busy. I'm wore out. I am wore out. I'm getting old, y'all. I'm getting old. I have to admit that. I hate to. But anyway, I got a few cute little things. So it just was a lot of fun. I saw this, and I just thought it was pretty. It's just ceramic, and it says "Love lives here." It's just a cute thing. It has some colors on it and flowers, and it's just cute. It's just a little ceramic, it just will stand up. So I can put that on a bookshelf or somewhere, somewhere like that. So I just thought that was adorable. And of course, we had all kinds of little statues, different animals. There were pigs and horses and bears and all kinds. And there weren't many cats. There was a cute little cat, and I was sort of looking at it when I came back later. Well, the head was chopped off of it. It must have fallen. The wind was crazy and would knock things down, and then people were so helpful and would pick things up for us. But when I was leaving, this was still there, and this is just resin. It's very heavy. It's just that resin. This might have been even from the Dollar Tree, which is okay. It's just a little basket of flowers and a kitten. I just thought it was cute. See, it looks like a basket. And it's just a little resin thing. Oh, I thought it was cute. So it's heavy, so I don't even know if you can go back on that thing. So then this I thought was just way too cool. I had to mess with it a little bit, but I really like it. Look at that, y'all. It is just a nice wreath for Halloween, autumn. It needed a little work, like I might still have to fluff some of this out, but there's a crow right there. It just looked, this part of it looked like primitive art. I love old primitive art. So I just thought it was really cool. Somebody actually made this. Now, I don't know if they bought this already done or if they did the grapevine or whatever that is, but this has all been on the back. You can see it's all been glued together. And it's so pretty. And I love the crow. So I just thought that was really beautiful. That's going to go on my door. And then I got this. I just was cute, so I got it. This is just a kitchen towel, and it is dogs. Just it's a nice terry on the back side, and then woven. It's like when you get a TJ Maxx, really nice cotton. It's cotton. It is Casaba Home brand, and it has dogs and hearts. So I thought it was really cute. I can put that out at Valentine's time. So just really cute. And it doesn't even look like it was ever used, so. And then I have two other things. This one I wasn't so sure about, but then I was like, well, it kept staying and it kept staying. Nobody was going for it. So I thought, what the heck, let me get it. This is glass, and this is a little heavy. I don't think that it's real brass. I don't know, it is metal, the way it sounds. I did wash everything already, so, but it's just an empty jar, so you can put anything in here, or even just use it as decor. You can put Christmas ornaments and, you know, put it on a bookshelf or something even. I mean, anything you can decorate it any which way. All right, Camille, get away from that. She's aggravating the wreath. It just has, the design of it are some leaves and a couple of flowers, you know, and it's just has a frost, not really a frosted, but like a pebble to make it, you know, so you can't quite see exactly, you know, it's a little grainy when you look inside. I just thought that was nice. And then my prize piece. My prize piece, I couldn't believe this stayed. We had kitchen stuff galore. We had coffee pots and bread makers, and I mean, just all kinds of stuff like that. Tupperware like crazy, but this, you're gonna have to stop that. We had this. This was the only one. This is Pyrex, and it's gorgeous, and I love it. And it is a little beat up, you can see. If you're a Pyrex person, you'll know that this is a nice thing. But I have a yellow and I have a pink. Camille, she's trying to eat the wreath. Go, go, go. So this is originally way back when, maybe the 50s, I guess, or is it the 40s? They had a set of Pyrex, and this may be the smallest one. Then there's a, I know the pink one I have is a little bit bigger. The yellow one I have is large. There may be a smaller green one. I can't remember the order of things. Maybe I don't have pink, maybe I have green. Anyway, if I remember, maybe I'll show you on my Mask Monday the Pyrex that I do have. But there was a set of 5 or 6 bowls, and I don't remember exactly how many. And if you are fortunate enough to find all bowls together, all in good condition, they're hundreds of dollars to get all of them. So, oh, she's just rotten. She's right over there picking on that wreath. So anyway, I'm going to end because I got to get that back hung up or she'll keep at it. But I just love my little Pyrex bowl. It, does it say like what size? It says Pyrex. No, I don't think it does. But I'm not sure, you know, like if it's a quart or what it is, I don't know. But it's really, I love it. So I'm going to have some nice things if she doesn't break them all. Y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got at the yard sale or rummage sale, whatever you want to call it. It was not a fundraiser for our church. It was for a fundraiser for a school that helps handicapped people. So that's what it was for. One of our people that go to church is going to that school, and they teach young adults how to learn how to get a job and that type of thing. So it's a great place. Anyway, oh, she's gonna drive me to drink, y'all. Y'all take care. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.